In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Microsoft Edge. First, let's begin by opening a new tab in Microsoft Edge. You can do this by launching the Edge browser on your computer. Once it's open, simply click on the plus sign or the word New tab at the top of the window. This action brings you to a fresh browsing page where you can explore various features. You will see a blank space where you can search or enter a website address. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for customizing your browsing experience. A new tab provides a clean slate to work with, making it easier to navigate to the settings we need. Now that you have your new tab open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see a gear icon, which represents the page settings. Click on this gear icon to access the customization options for your new tab. Once you click it, a menu will appear, displaying various settings related to your browsing page. This step is significant because it allows you to access the background settings directly. It's a simple action that opens the doors to personalizing how your browser looks and feels. Under the background section of the settings menu, you will find several options available for you to choose from. The first option you might see is the daily image. This feature allows Edge to display a different beautiful image each day, making your browsing experience visually appealing. You can also select a custom image if your version supports it. This means you can upload any image from your computer that you'd like to see every time you open a new tab. Finally, there's the option for a solid color if it's available. This is a great choice if you prefer a minimalist look. Choosing your background is important because it personalizes your browsing experience and can make using the web more enjoyable. Once you've made your selection from the available options, be sure to confirm your choice. If you've selected a daily image or a custom image, you might notice a preview appear on the screen. This preview confirms your choice visually, giving you a glimpse of what your new tab will look like. If you opted for a solid color, you'll see that color fill the background. This small confirmation ensures that you are satisfied with your choice before you exit the settings menu. With your background now chosen, you can simply close the settings menu. You can do this by clicking anywhere outside the menu or by clicking the gear icon again. Your changes will be saved automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing your selection. Now, when you open a new tab, you will see your newly customized background. This adds a personal touch to your browsing experience, making it feel more like your own space. In summary, changing the background in Microsoft Edge is a straightforward process. You start by opening a new tab, accessing the settings through the gear icon, and selecting your preferred background option. Each of these steps is designed to enhance how you interact with the browser. By personalizing your background, you create a more enjoyable environment for your online activities. Thank you for watching this tutorial on changing the background in Microsoft Edge. Enjoy your new browsing experience.